friends, this is Meena Sharma. Today we will learn HCF by listing all factors. What is the meaning of all factors? That we will find all the factors of 45 and all the factor of 63, and then we will find their HCF. Okay, so first we will find factors of 45. Factors of 45. Factor means number which divides a given number. So you have to see which number can divide 45. So 45 is divisible by 1. Then 45 is not even number, it is not divisible by 2. So 45 is divisible by 3 also. Why? Because 4 plus 5 is 9. We will check the divisibility rule of 3. 4 plus 5 is 9 and 9 will come in 3 table. So 45 is also divisible by 3. So what will come? 3 ones are 3, 1 is left, and 3 fives are 50. Okay, 15 threes are 45. Now 45 will not come in 4 table. It is not divisible by 4. 45 is divisible by 5. Yes. 45. 5 nines are 45. Okay. Now 45 will not come in 6 table, 7 table, 8 table, and 45 is divisible by 9 also. So 9 fives are 45. I told you you will check up to start from 1 and up to 9. This is the shortcut trick. You will find all the factors when you will start by 1 and you will check up to 9. Okay. And these are the factors. So we will write factors of 45. Factors of 45 is equal to, we will start from here, 1, 3, 5, 9. Then we will move here. 5 is written, so we will not write again. 9 is written, we will not write. Now 15 and 45. These are the factors of 45. Now I will find the factors of 63. Factors of 63. So 63 is divisible by 1. Yes. It is not even, so not divisible by 2. 63 is divisible by 3 also. 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Now 63 will not divisible by 4, 5, 6. No. 7. Yes. 63 is divisible by 7. 7 9s are 63. And 8, no. 63 is divisible by 9 also, 7. So I told you up to 9 you will check. So now you will write these numbers. These are the factors of 63 is equal to 1, 3, 7, 9. Then you will move here, 7 you have written, 9 we have written. Now 21 and 63. Now next step is you will find the common factors out of this. So 1 is common, 3 is common, 5 and 7 not common. Here 9 is common. Now nothing is common. So you will write first common factors. Common factors of 45 and 63 are 1, 3 and 9. And we are finding the highest common factor. So what is the highest out of these common factors? So 9 is the highest common factor. So your HCF will be 9. Your HCF will be 9 because 9 is the highest common factor out of these common factors. Okay. We will do one more sum. Now we have to find the HCF of these three numbers, 6, 18 and 32. Okay. So first we will find out the factors of 6, then factors of 18, and then factors of 32. If you want to do shortcut, you can apply shortcut method also, but I am doing with long method. Okay. So 6 is divisible by 1. So 6 is divisible by 2. 3 will come. 2 3s are 6, and then 3 2s are, and then 6 is divisible by 6. Okay. So these are the factors of 6. Now I will divide 18. 18 divided by 1 is 18. 18 is even number, so divisible by 2. 2 nines are 18. Okay. Now 18 will come in 3 table also, so 3 6 are 18. 18 is not divisible by 4, 5, but 18 is divisible by 6, yes. Then 18 is not divisible by 7 and 8, 18 is divisible by 9. Up to 9 you will check only. So these are the factors of 18. Now we will find factors of 32. So 32 is divisible by 1. Yes, 32 will come. 32 is divisible by 2 also, because this is even number and all even numbers are divisible by 2. So what will come? 2 ones are 2, 1 is left, and 2 6 are 12. Okay. Now 32 is not divisible by 3. 32 is divisible by 4. 4 8s are 32. Okay. Now 32 is not divisible by 5, 6, 7. But 32 is divisible by 8. 8 4s are 32. And 32 is not divisible by 9. So these are the factors of 32. Now we will write factors of 6. Factors of 6 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, and this is repeated again, so we will not write again. Now factors of 18. Factors of 18. What are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9. You will move, you have written 2, 3, 6, 9, now 18. Now factors of 32. So factors of 32 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 4. There is repeated, 8 is repeated, then 16 and 32. Now you will find the common factors. Now you will find the common factors of 6, 18 and 32. So common factors of 6, 18 and 32. So 1 is common, 2 is common. Now 3 is here but not in this line, so 3 is not common. Now 4 is here but not in 6 and 8, so 4 we will not. 6 here but not in 32, so we will not write. Okay. Here 9 and 16, no other common factor is there. So what are the common factors of this? 6, 18 and 32 is 1 and 2. Nothing else is common. Now these are the common factor of 6, 18 and 32. Now you will choose the highest, because HCF, highest common factor. So 2 is the highest common factor. Okay, I hope this method is clear to you. If you like my video, please press the like button. Have a nice day.